In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your private servers in Roblox. Now, you may have multiple different private servers in Roblox depending on how many you've signed up to, and they can drain your Robux very quickly. So today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel them. I'm also going to teach you how to find the ones you're actually paying for, which is really useful to figuring out which is taking your money. Now, before I get into this, I want to say, please make sure you watch the video to the end and pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct. Lastly, I'm considering doing a Robux giveaway, so if you do want to see that, be sure to comment down below that you want to see a Robux giveaway, because that will be that will give me a sign that you want that. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing we actually want to do is we need to close Roblox. We don't actually need to have it open. We need to actually go onto Google Chrome or a browser like that, and we actually need to go and just go to roblox.com. So I've opened up the website here, as you can see, and what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go to our inventory. And we're going to go down to private servers. Now you want to go to my private servers here, and it's going to tell you all of the different private servers you have. Now obviously a lot of them are free, but some of them will be paid, and that's going to drain your account very quickly. So what you wanted to go ahead and do is find the server that's costing money. So say this one costs 100 Robux a month or something. We can click on it here, and what we can do is we can go down to servers here, and it will show our server popping up here. Now once we go onto that, we can go ahead and click this three dots here, which is configure. We can click configure here, and then we can actually go ahead and delete it. Now right now, as this is a completely free server, there's no option to actually delete it, but if you are paying for it, around here at the top there'll be a little thing that says subscription status. So this will be like a little slider. It will look very similar to this, but it'll be around up here, and you can turn that off, and that's basically going to cancel your subscription, and it will tell you the expiration date, so you get to play until then on your private server. But that's basically how you go about doing it. Now, if you did find this video helpful, be sure to go down below and like and subscribe, and also comment down below this video did help, so that I know this video helped you. Now lastly, if you are interested in that Robux giveaway, be sure to comment down below that you want to see it, because I will do that for you guys. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.